Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to change your password in the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Keeping your account secure is very important, and updating your password regularly helps protect your personal information and purchases. Let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then select Profile from the menu. After that, tap on Account Information. Now click on Password. After clicking on Password, AliExpress will send a 6-digit verification code to your registered email. Check your email, copy the code, and enter it in the app. Then tap Verify. Once verified, enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Finally, click on Update Password to save your changes. Your password has now been successfully updated. Thank you for watching. Changing your password regularly is a simple but effective way to keep your AliExpress account safe. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.